Hey guys, what's up? How y'all doing? How y'all been? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole and I have missed you guys so much and I'm so happy to be back filming. Y'all, it has been a little time for your girl. Y'all know I took my the second COVID shot February 3rd, and I was feeling like a little achy and sneezing. I had a couple little symptoms after, so I took some time off, what turned out to be an extended time off because I just needed it, guys. I've been working hard. It's just been a time for your girl. But I am back and I am happy to be filming. I have truly missed you all. Today, guys, we're going to be doing my IPSY PR box that I received like a week ago, and I have been itching to unbox this with you guys so much that I filmed it and ended up, I don't know how, deleting the video. So I have to re-record it. So yeah, this is the second time I'm doing this unboxing. So if some of the products look a little like messed up, please, it's because I already unboxed it and I deleted it. So I don't know what's going on, but I am happy to be back. I do have one little announcement, guys, as far as shout outs. So what I'm going to be doing is filming a lot of videos like today and tomorrow, I think. So I'm going to be filming, editing, and setting them, like scheduling them, so I can kind of keep on my schedule of Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So as far as shout outs, so I'm going to be pinning them either in the comments or adding it to the description. So let me know what you guys think would be best, because I cannot save the videos to do the first 5, add them to the video, then upload, because I'm working a lot this month. So I hope you guys can just bear with me for the month of February, because I do appreciate everyone that tunes in early and checks your girl out. And while we're at it, I'm just going to give a big, huge shout out to all of my bomb ass subscribers. I truly love you guys. But today, guys, we're doing our IPSY PR. I'm not going to be long at all. So, yes, I am drinking on a little bit of Blue Hawaiian with some grapes in it. I'm going to take a quick dance break and a drink break, and we're going to get to unboxing. All right, so this is what the IPSY PR came in this month. Just this one big box. I am sorry for the glare, guys. The weather is getting bad. So it's like an overcast, so the lights are reflecting and making this glare. Sorry. So yes, this is the box right here. This is what the inside looks like. Discover yourself. And I've already bagged everything how it should be. Oops. Because the last time everything was like all mixed up. So I'm going to take everything out and we're going to get to unboxing. The theme for this month is Send Love. That is the card right there. First thing I'm going to start off with is the IPSY GLAM bag. This one is a $12 bag. You're supposed to get 5 deluxe sample size, even full size products each month. And I do have a link down below if you guys want to sign up for IPSY. This is the bag for the month. It says sealed with a kiss. I absolutely love this bag. This is like my favorite bag. On the back is some lips. It's giving us some real Valentine's Day vibes. All right, so let's see what we got up in here. First thing is from Benefit Cosmetics, and this is the 24-hour brow setter. Now, I think I picked this in my glam bag that I'm getting later on in the month. This is the mini. Benefits products, y'all know, are really good, especially their brow products. This is the packaging right there, my loves. And when we open it up, that's what the little spoolie looks like. So I'm very excited to get this little product and try it out. Up next, we have from Glam Glow, and this is the Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream right here. I can always use a good anti-fatigue eye cream because, baby, working all of them hours, got your girl looking a bit tired. So that is what it's looking like, just a white cream, guys. So yes, I will be getting some use out of this because I don't like for my eyes to look puffy or like I'm sleepy or dark around them. So I'm happy for this. Even though it's little, with eye cream, you just need a little bit. So that's pretty decent. Then we have from One Kind, and this is the Perfectionist Refining Facial Mask, I think this is. I think it's a mask. It says, an overachieving facial that polishes, purifies, and brightens in minutes. It's, you say bye-bye to dead skin and hello to glow. Apply 1 to 2 times a week to clean dry skin. And then you're going to rinse well after 10 minutes. So it's like a mask, actually. There we go. And it does have a seal, so I won't open it. But I'm always happy to see like masks and stuff. I love them. Then we have this little thing here and this little bubble wrap. And it appears to be a little palette. And this is from Real Her, guys, and it says love you first, perfect eyeshadow duo, and we have in the shade rose gold and ivory. When we open it up, oh girl, we got a mirror. Hey boo. All right, these are the 2 shades are right there, my loves. So those are both very, very, very pretty. I love it. I'm excited about receiving this. And last but not least, we have this little bitty baby right here. And this one is from Bite Beauty. When we open it up, it's this orangey red toned lipstick. So since this one is a little baby size, I'll go ahead and swatch this one so you guys can see. That's the shade right there. It's like an orangey red color. So yes, I love Bite Beauty. Their products are amazing. So yeah. All right, so that was all we got in the IPSY Glam bag. I'm going to quickly show you the products and then we're going to move to the plus. So we have this One Kind facial right here. We have from Benefit the 24-hour brow setter. From Real Her, this eyeshadow duo. From Glam Glow, the eye cream. And then from Bite Beauty, this lipstick right here. So these 5 products right here, plus this little beautiful bag that I love. And overall for this one, I thought it was okay. I do like that we got the brow setter, the lipstick, and the eyeshadow. So this was 3 out of the 5 products were makeup related, which I do love. And then we got the eye cream, which like I said, you can never go wrong with a good old eye cream. So I thought for $12 that this is always a hit, always a winner. So I did like this month. Cool. Now let's get on to this plus. Now the plus, y'all know, is $25 a month. You're supposed to receive 5 full-size products, and it's supposed to have a minimum value of $120. And like I told you guys, I do have a link down below if you want to use it and sign up. This is the bag right here, and we're just gonna dig right in. Now the first box that I'm pulling out, y'all, since I unboxed it already, I kind of ripped the top off, but we're gonna ignore that, right? So this is from Beauty Stat, and this is a Universal C Skin Refiner. This is 20% vitamin C. It brightens, retexturizes, and firms the skin, and that's what it's looking like right there. It's clinically tested to decrease the look of fine lines and wrinkles and to improve firm skin tones. And you get 1 fluid ounce of product up in here. And it's fragrance free, it's dermatology tested. You want to smooth this over your cleansed dry skin. Girl, the stutter is real. And in the morning and at night, does come with a nice pump right there, guys. So yeah, I love vitamin C. I love anything about vitamin C because it does brighten and tightens your skin. So I'm happy with this, very excited. Then we got this right here, which is About Face. This is a matte fluid eye paint right here. And I have the shade, I can't remember what it's called. I don't remember what the shade is called, but let's just take it out. So the packaging is gorgeous. I love it. This is a matte eye paint, and it is in the shade Closed or Cloned. It's in the shade Cloned, I think. So let's open it. That's what it looks like right there, the little applicator. And I'm gonna swatch it on my hand for you guys to see. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. I actually could use that as like a lipstick, but yeah, I do like this color. I'm very excited to see this product in here. I think this is a new company. Let me know down below if it is. I'm more than sure that it is though, but this is beautiful. All right, next up is from Dr. Brandt, and this is the Recovery Sleeping Mask right here. I did get one of these in BoxyCharm, which I ended up giving to my mom, but I am gonna keep this one so that I can test it out. And this is just a recovery sleeping mask. you do get 50 grams or 1.7 ounces of product. This is what the bottle looks like right there. And it just says to apply mask to clean, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse and use nightly. I will keep this by my bed because I find that works better after I wash my face and I look over at my nightstand. Oh, I got to put on my night cream. So that's what I'm going to do. And then we received from MAC right here, which y'all know back in the day, boo, MAC used to be the, everybody wanted MAC. Everybody wanted their lipsticks and their eyeshadows. They've kind of phased out a little bit because of all these new companies, but I still have some MAC products that are just like my ride or die, and I have a few of their lipsticks. So I'm excited to see this. And this is the Creme Sheen lipstick right here. And I have the shade Sweet Shakora. I don't know if that's right. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong. But this is what it comes in, the standard MAC packaging. And when we take it off, this is what the shade looks like. It looks like the same as this Bite product, right? The lip shades look very, very similar, that orangey red. So I won't swatch this one. I will put this in a future giveaway, but I am excited to see MAC in IPSY. I am. And then our last product up is from IT Cosmetics, and this is the Heavenly Skin Foundation brush right there. And we're going to open this up. I do love IT Cosmetics' brushes, but they are very pricey. That's what it looks like, guys, out of the packaging. And this is the brush. Gorgeous, gorgeous. For foundation, I don't know because it's kind of flimsy. So I don't know about foundation, but this would be definitely a good bronzing brush or a blush brush. I'll probably use it for that, but it's a little too flimsy for me for foundation. But I do know IT Cosmetics' brushes are very pricey, so I'm happy to get this. All right, so that was it for our Glam Bag Plus. Let's quickly recap, and then we're going to move to the refreshment products, and we're going to be done. So we received this Recovery Sleeping Mask right here. We got this Beauty Stat Vitamin C Serum. From IT Cosmetics, this brush right here. From MAC, this lipstick. And from About Face, this eyeshadow, this matte eyeshadow. So these 5 products are right here for the month. With this bag, I think it's okay. I like all of the products, actually. I'm excited to test all of them out. This one I will be putting in a giveaway because the Bite Beauty one looks very similar. So I'm going to give that one away. But these 4, I'm excited to use. I really do wish it was a little bit more makeup heavy. But overall, I am pleased and I will get some use out of these products. So, okay, I think it was pretty decent. Just more makeup though. All right, and then the last thing that I'm going to show you is in this little baggie right here. And this is from their new Refreshments line. And the Refreshments line is like more skincare based products. And this month they sent us over some razors to test out. In the bag, they have this right here with some little stickers on it. And then we get 2 products here. Let me show you. And not to mention their little baggie is cute. I love that. So we get these 2 products here. I do, however, want you guys to let me know what you do with these little baggies. I cannot find anything really to do with them. So let me know what y'all do with those. I don't really know. So they give us a little brochure here, and it pretty much tells you about all of the products that they have. The razor and the shaving cream is what I have today. I'm so sorry for the glare, my loves. So that's that right there. So make sure you check out their Refreshments. It's on, if you have the IPSY app, it has their own little space on the bottom that says Refreshments. So check them out and see if you like them or not, you know. So here is the first thing, and this is the Refreshments Pillowy Shave Cream and Citrus Spritz. I'm so sorry for that glare. And you get 4.5 fluid ounces of product. It says lather up and coast. It's a smooth ride. Ideal glide for an extra close shave. It's a moisturizing formula. It does have a safety seal, so I won't open it, but I am excited to see this and use it. I normally do not shave, guys, because it leaves like razor bumps. So yeah, I'm not a fan of shaving with razors, but I'll try this out and see. And this is the Refreshments Luxe 5-Blade Razor Kit right here. It says glide gracefully over curves and make way for smooth. Built-in soothing strip, 5 blades for an extra close shave. Helps prevent bumps and burns. Okay, so when we open it up, this is how it's packaged, like that. We have, oh girl, I'm always dropping stuff. The little blade right here that comes packaged separately. And then we get the razor handle. And also this little thing here you can stick to your tub or your shower, and you hang the blade like that in the shower. I would put it in my shower. So yeah, you get this nice little kit right here. And shaving cream. So I'm excited about that. Very happy to use that. And yes, love. So that's all that I got in this IPSY PR box. I am very pleased. I'm still so excited. I'm on IPSY's PR list. So that really makes me happy. But overall, I thought the products were decent. I just wish for the plus, they would have gave me a few more makeup products, you know, maybe an eyeshadow palette or something like that. Since it is like Valentine's Day in February, that's what I was hoping for. But I did enjoy the Refreshments and the Glam bag. I thought it was overall pretty decent for this month. Also, guys, before I go, I want to wish my mom and my dad a happy 40th wedding anniversary. Y'all, I don't know how people can stay married that long. Like, really. I'm hoping to get a strong 10 years. And honestly, you know, it's like, girl, like to 40 years. But that is such a blessing. I love my parents very much. And I'm so excited that after all of these years, they're still together. That makes me so happy. So yes, my loves, that's all that I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. TonyaNicole coming back because I'm happy to be back. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Also, give this video a big thumbs up because it really, really, really helps my channel out, guys. Since our views have been so low, you know, going to help a sister out. Anyway, loves, I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. You guys take care. Bye-bye.